Welcome to Liveridge British 4x4 Limited, the Landrover refurbishment specialists. A family-owned, fully independent business with generations of experience, we offer everything from rebuilds and servicing to repairs and genuine spares, preserving the best of British whether you're on the road or off it. Saharan Safari, trailblazing adventures, rolling hills and cavernous valleys. Wherever you need a Landrover to take you, Liveridge can make sure it's up to the task. Our expedition and off-road specials are adapted and made ready for some of the world's most challenging terrain. The Howard family has been involved with Land Rovers for more than 50 years, and today we enjoy a reputation as leaders in our field. But while you can count on our technical advice and knowledge, it's worth knowing that we're enthusiasts too. It's why you can always expect friendly, helpful service, because we love Land Rover for the same reasons you do. Discover why Liveridge4x4.com is the best source for Land Rover technical details. Visit and browse our latest articles today. Whether it's the go anywhere, do anything utility of the classic Defender, the refined luxury of the Discovery, or the enduring iconic Range Rover series, Liveridge British 4x4 Limited specialises in the care and refurbishment of every Land Rover, regardless of its age. See how we can help you. Land Rovers are built to take on all terrains. At Liveridge British 4x4 Limited, we make sure they don't stop. Our fully equipped workshop handles all aspects of servicing, paintwork and repairs, with everything from MOTs to AutoLogic computer diagnostics carried out under a single roof. What's more, all parts and labour are fully guaranteed, and our technical advice is always free. Liveridge British 4x4 Limited is open 6 days a week. Between Monday and Friday, we're here from 8 a.m. till 5:30 p.m. On Saturday, we open at 9 a.m. and close at 4 p.m. Don't forget you can also find plenty of information, plus handy technical guidance, online at liveridge4x4.com. When your Land Rover's off the road for extensive servicing or repairs with Liveridge British 4x4 Limited, we can't promise a true replacement. After all, nothing feels quite like your own. But we can promise the use of a free courtesy car for the duration of the work. Terms do apply, so please ask us for details. Thanks to Liveridge British 4x4 Limited's extensive library of genuine parts, spares and Land Rover accessories, many self-build projects take shape with our help. And for the truly passionate, we can even supply base vehicles. At Liveridge British 4x4 Limited, we specialise in the export of Land Rover vehicles to destinations throughout the world. On your behalf, we can arrange the shipping and container loading, making certain that your vehicle arrives when it should, as it should.